Hello and welcome. In this video, I am going to share 3 of the best and easy to use cross-platform applications to share files between computers. With these applications, you can easily transfer files from one computer or laptop to another without using any USB drive. You just need to be connected to same local area network or a Wi-Fi network. The first application is LaneShare. It is available at GitHub and it is created by Abdul Aris. And you can see it is a cross-platform LAN file transfer application. You can read the instructions. So on this machine I am using MX Linux. So let me share LaneShare. I have installed it on this system and it's very simple and easy to share files. So you just need to install this application on both of your systems. I have shared my files between two computers. You can send files and folders. If you have a lot of files and you have multiple folders, it's very simple and easy. You just need to select your folder and you can send it. Currently you can see I don't have any option here. I will have to install the application on other computer and I will see an option here to connect. You can go to settings, you can change name and you can also choose directory. You can see information about your network. Okay, this is first application and I prefer this one because it allows you to change download directory and name. The second application is NitroShare and it is also cross-platform application available for Windows, Mac and Linux. So for Linux you can see installation instructions and it is already running here. Let me show you my transfers. I recently transferred 2 folders from my laptop to my new laptop and the process worked fine. But it doesn't have a lot of options. You can send files and directory, but it doesn't give you a lot of options. But it worked fine over my Wi-Fi network. The third application is Teleport, which allows you to share files over the local network and it is available at FlatHub. I have not installed or tested this application. I have just installed LaneShare and NitroShare and they both were really great. So you can use these 3 applications to easily share files between your Windows, Mac or Linux computers. Thank you very much for watching this video.